Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve another program of our board program file. The question is you have to write a Python program to count the number of vowels, consonant and uppercase lowercase character stored in a text file. For this children, firstly we are going to initialize a string like India is great. We store this string in a variable s. Firstly, we are going to open the file in write mode, sample.txt in write mode. Now write this string into a file with the help of write function, f.write_s, and finally close the file. Now open this file in read mode, f is equal to open sample.txt in read mode. Read the content of the file and stored in a variable. T is equal to f.read. So T is the string that contains the string India is great. Now we are going to traverse this string with the help of for loop, but before this we are going to initialize 4 variables with the value 0, that is vowel, consonant, uppercase and lowercase character, that keep the counting number of vowels, consonant, uppercase and lowercase character in a file. For this, firstly we are going to initialize or assigning these variable with the value 0. Uppercase is equal to lowercase equal to 0. Now we are going to traverse this string t with the help of for loop for I in t. I contain the character at a time. When we are going to traverse this string stored in t, I contain a character at a time. Firstly, we are going to check the character is an alphabet. Okay, जो character हमने लिया है, it must be an alphabet. Okay, if it is alphabet, then we are going to further check either it is vowel, consonant, uppercase or lowercase. For this, firstly we are going to check if I dot is alpha, then we are going to check either it is uppercase or lowercase. If I dot is upper, then what we have to do, children? Firstly, we upgrade the value of uppercase variable by 1 because we also have to count the uppercase letter. Now, it may be possible this uppercase character may be a vowel or consonant. So, what we are going to check? If I double equal to capital A or I double equal to capital E or I double equal to capital I or I double equal to capital O or I double equal to capital U. Then what we have to do, children? We have to upgrade the value of vowels by 1. Else means that it is an uppercase consonant. Then we upgrade the value of consonant variable by 1. If it is not uppercase, then it may be if it is an alphabet and it is not uppercase, that means it is an lowercase character. So firstly we are going to upgrade the value of lowercase variable by 1. Again, there is a possibility that this lowercase character may be a vowel or consonant. So here we again check if I double equal to small a or I double equal to small e or I double equal to small I or I double equal to small o or I double equal to small u. Then what we have to do? We have to again update the value of vowels by 1. Else means to say that it is lowercase consonant. Then we upgrade the value of consonant by 1. When we traverse this string completely, then we come out from the loop and print the total number of vowels, consonant and uppercase lowercase character stored in a file. print uppercase equal to uppercase, print lowercase equal to lowercase, print vowels equal to vowels, print consonants equal to consonants. Finally, we are going to close the file with the help of close function. So the basic logic behind this program is that, children, we are going to traverse the string character by character and check the character. If it is an alphabet, then we are going to check either it is an uppercase alphabet or lowercase alphabet. If it is uppercase alphabet, then it is an uppercase vowel or uppercase consonant. If it is lowercase character, then it is an lowercase vowel or lowercase consonant. Finally, we count the number of uppercase, lowercase alphabet and vowels and consonant in a text file. Okay, I hope you understand this program very well. That's all for a day. Take care. Bye bye.